Hey, so a cool trick I learned in the Philippines. This is my disclaimer. Don't do it if you don't want to do it. It's really at your own risk. I'm gonna put some gasoline on this. Very light. You're not dousing it with freaking gasoline. What is going on, everybody? This is Gilser Vergara back again with another video. Forgive the sloppiness and aesthetics. I mowed the lawn and I gathered all the clippings. But today I have a few things that came in from Amazon for the motorcycle, for the GSXR 600. I'm gonna wash it first, but first I'm gonna take off those stickers on the tags. I don't have a heat gun, therefore I'll be using a blow dryer, my wife's blow dryer, to take that off. If you're new to this channel, I do health and wealth videos, tech reviews, product reviews, and that's pretty much what I do. If you're into that or those things, please do not hesitate to gently press the like button and gently grab the subscribe button. But yeah, either way, I'm gonna take care of this stuff. I'm gonna do some time lapses for the bike washing it and things like that. Because I purchased tank pads and I purchased some carbon fiber stuff for this, and I believe this as well. But yeah, let's put those on. If you guys don't know this trick, hack, pretty much I don't have a heat gun, but this is not crazy. You can literally just, this is kind of warmed already, but as you can see, the adhesive is starting to, see right there? That's what you don't want, the adhesive sticking on there. I'm gonna heat it up a bit more and take you on the journey with that one here. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put some cleaner on here. I'm gonna put some Lysol on here to get the extra residue off, and then rock it like that. Hey, so a cool trick I learned in the Philippines. This is my disclaimer. Don't do it if you don't want to do it. It's really at your own risk. I'm gonna put some gasoline on the towel and then mark it down because it's gonna break that adhesive down. Very light. You're not dousing it with freaking gasoline. You're just putting a tab of gasoline on there, almost like acetone, okay? I did put a touch of gasoline on there. Now, let's see the finished results. As you can see, ooh, gloss is still there. No more residue. Focus in on there. So that's how you take some of your stickers, or maybe all of your stickers, off your vehicle. I suggest don't take anything else than that, but it's really up to your bike. But yeah, now I'm gonna put the tank pad and all the other accessories. Please make sure to check out those videos. Thank you. Bye.